All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all how to quickly get the goop off of your lashes. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me flip these around so you can see. They got a little glue on this one. On this one, it's kind of like stuck together right there a little bit. See how you got that glob of glue right there? I'm gonna show y'all how to get that off without soaking them, because I'll be having places to be. I ain't got time to be doing all of that. And these are another pair of lashes, and I actually use weave glue on these, so this one has way more glue on it. So I'm gonna clean both of these lashes. Now what you want to do is, it's so super easy. Super hot water in here, all right? Take your lashes, let them get a hit of that super hot water. The next thing I am going to do is add neutralizing shampoo to the lash. You don't need a lot. Why would a lot come out? Why would that spill out like that? You do not need that much, seriously. But neutralizer is basically, actually, since so much came out, I'm gonna just dip my other one in and rub them both. But you don't need a lot. You just need some super hot water, and just rub these down a little. Take your time and don't be too rough. This is like so much shampoo. Like I did not know all it was gonna come out. So basically what I'm doing is just rubbing it. And rub it on this side. Now let's see. Now I only put weave glue on these, like I said, so I feel like weave glue is much easier to get off because it kind of like gets goopy like this. But the neutralizer basically makes it soft right away, and you can pull it off. You can comb through your lashes. Do you want to sit on the side or no? These is misbehaving today, y'all. I don't be having no, whatever. So if you have some stuck and you want to get it out, you basically just need to comb them. And this is, of course, an actual eyelash comb. And you see how that glue just easily comes out. It's really not too much glue on it though. But you can use a lash comb, or you can use this mascara wand or spoolie, whichever name you prefer. Or you could use an old, what's this thing? An edge comb thing. They're all gonna do the same thing basically. They're all gonna get the little stuff out your lashes. So see how easy the glue starts to get? Like, so this is basically what the neutralizer is gonna do. It's gonna make this gooey, and you'll be able to just pull the glue right off. And then you just rinse them off and reapply them. Well, after they dry, of course. But again, see? I just hold the lashes really tight, and then I'm able to pull this off. All right, so this is the finished product. This is less than 5 minutes, a less than 5 minute job. It should not take you hours to clean eyelashes. They're still in great condition. After I wash them, I let them air dry with my little fan, and they're ready to be put back on. You shouldn't have to soak your lashes in all of that oil and all of that stuff unless they're about to get a perm. Like, I don't know. But thanks for watching.